Oh man. Okay, come on.
No, 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 no.
Elias,
It's okay.
okay.
It'll be okay, Elias.
It's the same. Look. Same thing. You just got.
I don't want to go low. I want to go higher.
Oh, you'll like this though. This is pretty cool. This is like the best part. You'll like this, Elias. It's the engine room. It's really cool.
I thought the upper part was the engine room.
This is.
I thought the upper part was the engine room.
All the time without like falling.
No,
Yikes.
doing one step at a time. There you go. That's exactly what I was doing.
I guess you get used to it, but.
It was terribly, terribly hot down there. Well,
Look at that, Elias. There's an engine. One of these is. Whoa. I don't like walking on this thing. Oh, I don't like those grates. It creeps me out.
I know. It does too.
What do you think of this though, Elias? Pretty neat. Like, go with me.
Engine.
It's gonna go around.
Do you think? Okay, I don't think the grates are stern.
Well, they're pretty good, I'm sure.
I don't think they're very stern.
They're pretty good. So Elias, full speed ahead? No?
That's locked.
What do you think? You like this?
The bottom part is locked.
So where would you want to work? In the engine room? No.
I'd rather be a captain.
Here's the diesel generator. And aft emergency switchboard. Oh, phew. What's that? Oh, neat.
Water and brown.
Pipe identification. Oh, that tells you what the different pipes were. So that with 4 green was what? What do you think that was? 4 green.
Fresh.
Fresh water. Yeah. And what do you think brine water is?
Like very dirty water.
Brine is salt water. Brine is salt.
Okay, I do not feel well with this. Oh my god.
I like that.
I know I don't like this.
Oh my, I like this. This is interesting. At least the engine's right here. Reduction gear, yeah, that is. I'm gonna sit here. Oh my god.
Full steam ahead.
Can you make it around or?
Oh, don't.
Yeah, don't. I don't think you should.
Back.
Go the other way, Elias. I think it goes around too.
Ah.
Go around this way.
Mommy? Mommy?
What?
You feel good with the grates on your
No.
No, I don't. I'm not.
Oh, check
I
this out.
know. It doesn't do anything.
No.
But some of the parts move, so
Yeah.
it makes it more fun. Also, it's more fun. Thank God it goes
Oh, is
up.
this how we go out?
Yes.
Oh, check this out.
Oh,
first.
it says emergency exit.
Oh, check this out,
Just-
Elias. Whoa.
Wait, stop.
Ahead, astern. Oh, that's neat, huh? Engine revolutions indicator. Well, here's a bell. Turned on.
You know what astern means?
Mm-hmm.
Backwards.
Ooh.
Oh God. Look.
Mais il y a de la glace.
You don't want to walk on that?
Regarde tous les.
You want to walk with me?
Tous les compteurs et tout.
This is where you come on over here. You can hold on to this. You want to hold on to that? You can make you feel better.
C'est là qu'ils contrôlent tout. Non. Et donc, par contre, après, tu les fils et tous les tuyaux et tout.
See my look.
Ouais. Ça, c'est quand il y a.
The ring around.
Downshift in the car, it's kind of like that. So if you slow down, speed up, that, oh, there's the turbine lights right there.
I know.
That's the steam supply and the exhaust.
It says HP turbine.
That's the gearbox. Okay, do you want to get back up?
Wait.
Oh.
This is a joke. This is kind of a junker.
Okay, you want
This is
to?
it says emergency.
It's okay. People are going up it, see? It's all right. Because it says tour also. Okay, I'm going to be right behind you, okay?